See the stairs. Haven't done the risers, but the treads are done. Okay. You see they cleaned up a lot of the wear and tear. We got putty on the floor just to fill any gaps that are there. So it's been hit with the 60. They hit it with the 36, the 60. And we're going to hit it with the 100 in a little bit. See those pegs? Pretty interesting. They were a lot darker, so now they're a little bit lighter. I believe they're walnut pegs. But you can see that one board right there. Really stands out. Red oak. See the rest of the house. And that area waiting to be edged, but see what it was, what it looks like now, and do a video once we throw on the first coat, and I'll show you guys what it's going to look like. All right, so got a little bit more sanding to do today, and like I said, I'll do another video update in a little bit, and we can see where we're at from there. All right, everybody, have a good one.